Right, so our lad has very kindly offloaded some of his junk, unwanted stuff, onto us, and we're going to try and incorporate it into the side of the gunnels, under the gunnels on the side of the boat, for putting things in. It's a shoe thing, you know, you put your shoes in there, but we're going to maybe repurpose it for some clothes. Hopefully, but we'll see what we can do. I've already measured it up. I've had it offered up to this area here, where we're going to hopefully put it right next to this bookcase. I'm hoping that it's not going to cause too much restriction of width on the corridor, but we'll give it a go. Just if I back up a bit here, yeah, there. So there you can just see this. Here is the bathroom wall. So we're going to try and fit it in, and it goes about halfway to here, sort of thing, which is, you know, not too far away. Anyway, so I've measured it offered it up and measured it to the wall. It's about 40mm I've got to take off at the bottom. So I'm going to mark that up now and give it a go. Now, because I don't have anywhere to keep any trestles or boards or anything, I'm using these two stools to place that on. Hello, how are you? I can't stroke you. Get in trouble with my dog. Oh, he's already found out. He's found me out already. So there we are. What I've done is I've measured out 40mm from there, which is about what it is. I'm going to leave that line on, so it's probably going to be about 38mm taking off. I've taken it all the way up to there, marked it just using these two bits of timber. This is the brace from the back here. You can see here, these are the holes. That's the brace for the back. I am going to put both these braces back on, because both of these are going to be cut out. So I'll just remark those and re-screw them back in to give it a bit of strength at the back. I can always use this then to screw into the under the gunnels, which will then keep it in position. But there we go. So I'm just going to get the saw out and cut that now.
I didn't have a stool to put my feet on.
Well, that's all I could do. I haven't got any stands here, have I?
No.
Need a bigger boat.
It's been better to tape it up so you didn't get chipping fragments.
I could do, but it's the face that's alright. I'm cutting through the face. The other side doesn't matter because you don't see it.
Oh right, it doesn't do it on the face of it, does it?
No. Oh, you scratched it now.
You know what? It doesn't matter. I'll wallpaper it. Like I did on top of the IKEA unit.
Look at that. Scratched it. Okay, so I just need to mark out those now. Oh, I need my £30 pencil. The lead that sticks out very far. Bums. So, yeah, it is, yeah. So yeah, we just got to put them back on, and Bob is my nephew. Should I try it first before I put them back? Have you got a bit of sandpaper there? It'll do. All I need it for is to just take away that rough edge inside there. Where so I've just took enough off, just meets the back there. There we are. What I need now is one of those little blower things that Gemma off Ship Happens has got. I could just. There we are. Should we try a test fit? Thank you.
One of us has chipped a bit of the paintwork on the window in the bathroom.
Oh no. What do we reckon?
Actually, yeah. You know what? All the hats and gloves and stuff will be able to go in there. What we're actually hanging up there.
I have to walk sideways anyway, so I don't think I can usually walk that way. Nope. Fat shoulders. So to me, it's okay.
Yeah. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever. Yeah.
That'll do then. What do we think?
Yeah.
It just sits nice, doesn't it?
Did you say, will that drawer still go back in?
I think it will. Let's give it a go. It's Ned trying to get it back in. There we go. So we've given it a thorough road test, moving past it, and we reckon that's the spot it's going to be. So all I've got to do now is put the braces on the back so we can attach it to the under the gunnels bit, the wall there, and yeah, should be lovely. So we had 3 or 4 bags that were there with like winter caps and things, so we can put all them in the drawers. We'll see how they go. Hello. bracket.
Little L bracket.
Mm.
Got some.
Where? Ooh. Little L bracket would be better because it won't. I can just tip them out again. Up there now.
No, typically. So, hang on.
Storing my line.
I might have put them in that little drawer thing. Got him. Down.
He sounded like he was stood next to me.
There.
Oh, smashing.
Are they too big? I got them for those little shelves on in the bedroom to put in the bathroom.
The only thing I might not have is screws that are small enough, you know, to go into this. Got really long ones, but they'll go right through. Keep dropping things.
Tango.
You. Oh, come on, table, move. More room now.
I'm having a full-on tropical moment.
It is roasting in here. I'm sweating buckets. Dripping like a knackered fridge. Oh, you. Got any little screws anywhere? So there we go, after much sweating and swearing. It's all fitted in.
Can't see your head.
So there we go, after much sweating and swearing. She's all in, she's all working. Just needs filling up now. And I think I need a shower. Sweaty buckets I am. Yeah. Right.